This is the story of Emily Dickinson, a British-born author who wrote several poems and worked with his art after suffering various misfortunes. Emily was born in a Catholic, wealthy family, and every day she went to school, of which the father was the founder. Hamster Academy was founded in 1814 by a group of town leaders, including her grandfather. She attended this school for several years, reading a lot and having desire to learning. One day she realized she no longer believed in what she was doing. Emily realized not to be Catholic.
Hi, Father.
Oh, dear Emily, how are you?
It could be better. I need to talk to you.
What's happened? Tell me.
Father, I'm no longer going to go in that school. I don't want to continue something in which I don't believe.
Doctor, we are a believing family. Religion is very important to us. Your grandfather was one of the founders of that school. It's unacceptable that you leave it.
I'm sorry, Father, but then again, I cannot keep something in which I don't believe.
Emily entered in a period of depression after more disappointments, including the platonic love for the Reverend, unrequited. So Emily, what ails you? God is here to listen to you, and no fear.
God forgive me, but my fears is due to your answer for the question that I'll do.
I don't understand. I'm here to listen to you, not to give answer. That belongs to God.
Father, you will never understand, because I'm in love with you, platonically, and your true love is fate. I don't pretend that you go along. I was looking for the possibility of a confession without judgment, and yes, I wanted you to know.
After all these disappointments began the poetic period of Emily. She wrote a poem dedicated it to the Reverend Platonic man loved. Emily was obsessed with death. All these disappointments were killing her. When Emily died, her sister found her poems on scraps serum and decided to publish them in his memory.
This letter will not forget. My sister deserved the world to know what she suffered, the real love, the unconditional love, the platonical love.
Emily Dickinson is remembered by all as the poet who loved nature, simple, always dressed in white and spontaneous.
Make me a picture of the sun, so I can hang it in my room and make believe I'm getting warm when other call it day. Draw me a robin on a stem, so I'm hearing him. I'll dream And when the orchards stop they thumb, put my pretense away. Say if it's real, warm at dawn, whether it's buttercups that skim, or butterflies that bloom. Then skip the frost upon the lea, and skip the russet on the tree. Let's play those never come.